Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Ansley. Today I'm going to be showing you a look on how to completely cover and minimize texture for acne prone skin. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Okay guys, so some of my footage got deleted because I'm a dumbass, but basically what I did before applying my foundation and concealer is I sprayed this toothpaste Hangover 3-in-1 replenishing primer and setting spray on my face as a primer. In my opinion, I think it works a lot better as a primer than as a setting spray. And then I added my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer to my face in Custard, and then I added ESTEE Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup in Rattan. That's my color. And then I realized I needed a little bit more coverage because it's all about covering acne, right? That's what we're doing here. And so I applied my concealer again. Right now I'm just letting it sink in a little bit. In my opinion, it works better when it's a little bit dry because it doesn't move on the textured skin as much. So that's what we're going to do right now is we're going to blend it out because I let it dry for a bit. Now we're going to blend it out, so let's see how this goes. Now I'm just going to throw a little bit more foundation over the top because the color is too light. I'm just gonna blend this out. I kind of left it sitting on my nose for a little too long. Oh my god, why is this happening? I don't really get acne on my forehead because my acne is mostly hormonal. I did wake up with this spot over here and it's like pissing me off. Like, who are you? Who invited you to the party? No one, okay? Anyway, I just dyed my eyebrows the other night, and if I do say so myself, they're looking a real fleek. Real fleek. So yeah, I do have a little bit more spots I want to cover here. So the key to like adding coverage on the acne texture.
Pedicure once a week. Major key to success.
In my opinion, is having a really pigmented concealer as well as foundation. So like I know it sounds weird, but I'm just gonna let this dry on my face a little bit and like really sink in there. Just cover that ish up, and then I'm gonna blend it out with concealer on top of it, and that just, it works for me. If it doesn't work for you, let me know in the comments and I can try to suggest something else. I know that my texture is really bad and it's not so much like it is pigment, but it's not like I have like a red like bloody scar on my face. I don't really know if that's possible to cover with makeup. You can try, but in my experience you'll just end up like irritating it more. But I've tried, trust me. The worst feeling ever is when you're breaking out and you have to like go somewhere important, see someone important, and you're trying to cover this shit up and it doesn't work. So that's why I made this video. Hopefully it'll help you guys out. Hopefully it'll help me out. There's a dog barking. There's somebody with a chainsaw in the neighborhood. Okay. powder. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Powder in Warm. Or should, for my French listeners. I like this because it adds a bit more warmth to the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. This is the completed look. I hope you like it. On my eyes I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance, if you're interested in that. I have all the products that I use listed below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out.